Okay, real quick, this crane is loosely based on a 1,500-ton Gottwald pedestal crane. This one has, this has 350 foot of boom and a jib in it. The 140 foot of a boom, 210 foot of jib. That's, this is 155 scale. The crane weighs 6.5 pounds without the hanging counterweight. That counterweight right there right now weighs 2.8 pounds, so total weight of 9.3. The vessel I'm picking up weighs 12 ounces, so roughly that would be like this crane picking up a 120-ton vessel. Now right now that vessel is sitting at a scale 275 foot radius, or 5 foot. And let's see, what else can I say about this crane? Anyways, I'm going to pick it up and boom it up to in about 90 scale foot of the center of rotation there, about 20 inches. So here we go. Turn the power on. Alright. And let's see. She's coming up, and now I'm going to straight boom up. The boom has a, let's see, there we go, that's one thing I missed there. Okay, the boom, is 12 parts. The mass is 16 parts. The luffer is 10. And well, right now it's single parted. That hoist on this crane is good for, it's got 25 ounces of line pull on it, so more than good enough for what we're doing. Not really good for booming and holding. You can't get, it's a little bit too much to do something like that. If it was 2 or 3, probably 4-parter would be really smooth, but anyways, so she's coming up pretty nicely. Right now I'm going to luft up, get those belly lines a little tighter. That counterweight should be settling down pretty soon. So we're booming up, lufting up, and hoisting down. How's that? Yeah, that's good on that luffer. It has all steel pendant cables. The only actual cables on it are the ones from the mast, or the that gantry mast, to the big mast that holds the counterweight. Everything else is actual rod. So they're looking pretty good. Just getting there. A little bit too much weight to do a boom and hold, although she kind of like gets away. Real quick while I hoist it up, that's high speed up, which is that's pretty good for that hoist. Single parted there. There ain't too many single part hoists that'll pick 120 ton out there for real, are there? Okay. Now we're gonna like high speed down. You don't see that too often, do you? Alright. Now the crane also swings, but of course right now I can't swing because the counterweight is sitting on the ground. Have to unattach it. So I'm going to try and get this thing about 88 degrees. see how close we can get it. Right there, that's about 90 foot. So, try to get that thing almost vertical. Oh, that's pretty good, huh? I think I got her stopped. It's kind of hard to tell. Looks like it might be over boom there. Put her back down a little bit. All right. Okay, let's see what we got. Okay. Well, anyways, I'll demonstrate the hoist again. And that main boom is 140 foot. So, right now, it's a couple hundred feet in the air. Ooh. We don't have an ATB on this one yet. A fake one, I mean. Alright, I'll show you some of the close-ups work to the crane real quick here. This is that's the mass. This is the big mass here. It's the 12-part equalizer. It's the 10-part lofting right there. It's your main hoist. This is the lofting hoist. Flame motor right there. It's the motor for the mass. And see, here's your fittings down here for this counterweight. Some more fittings. See, belly lines right there. That's your riveting there up through the through this little mask. That's kind of hard to see it, but anyways, snakes through there, and this goes up to the top. There. Well, we got our flag and got our ball. So, got our rigging right here. This is my crude attempt at a vessel. Eventually I'll put some pipes and some other stuff on it to make it look a little bit more real. And, okay, I'm going to let this thing down now. So you can see there's marks on here, so you can see what's going on. Oh, we jumped the cable. Oh, fix that. All right. Wow, look at that. It's hard to believe I was off that cable the whole time. Wow. Okay, back on now. So, yeah, must have bumped something there, huh? Yeah, yeah. Had to boom down. On this one, the boom is like where the throttle would be on a airplane, and that stays, don't spring back to neutral. So, it's a little problematic. You don't always get it stopped when you think it's stopped. Next thing you know, you're booming down or you're booming up or something bad's going to happen. Okay. That's it, folks. Put her down.